Welcome to Jethro's Garage. I hope y'all having a great week. Hey, today we have you here to choose and announce the winner of our contest. So the whole deal was you had a week to watch this video and comment on it and make sure you were subscribed. Didn't have a whole lot of people that commented on the video. I was a little surprised. I had 69 people watch it, which was pretty low, but hey, no biggie, right? Less competition for the people who wanted to enter, and there was only a couple people entered. We're fixing to put those names in there, but I'm gonna go over these one more time. These were probably our 3 best. I sent the rest back to Amazon. Didn't care too much for them. I was unhappy with all of them that I ordered, except for these 3. And that being the VIM, which is the MRB IT or MR bit base, which is MagRail bit base. It's pretty nice. I like it. It works well. It still didn't work well with the cutoff bits. That's okay. It sticks pretty daggone good. Someone had commented on another video that you have to have a special tool, and usually you do because there's nothing to grab hold to. But on these, you don't really need a special tool. I mean, it's a very strong magnet, but you don't need a special tool to lift these up. And I found if I put a deep well socket on the regular mag rails, I can get them up too. It's not quite as easy because it doesn't always catch on the little stud. Also got this Aries. It's on a socket boss style tray or a socket boss tray. 99.9% sure that this is made by Ernst for Aries. It's 2 separate deals here on 2 separate racks. Let me pull them off. You got this one, and you got this one, which is similar to this, except for this one has magnets. You could even hang these on the wall if you wanted to. These are friction fit. Both of these are friction fit. This one holds 96 bits. This one holds less than that. I don't want to try to count them all up again. It's just a little bit of a, gives me a little bit of a headache counting them a little bit. But anyway, so this is the 3. I ended up liking the Ernst best. They're all great, and I think they'll all serve the purpose pretty easily. I was going to, if this one doesn't get chosen, I'm going to take these magnets like this, and I'm going to glue them to it, and then I'm going to stick that to my toolbox. And that's what I'm going to use. So, what are y'all waiting on? Y'all are waiting on me to draw names. Pretty much only 2 of you. Yeah, it's only 2 of you. So I got Ron Novak, regular watcher of the videos, commenter, subscriber, awesome dude. And Jeff Tavani, another regular, awesome dude, regular subscriber, commenter, both great. I'm surprised, really surprised a lot of other people didn't comment. Maybe I didn't talk about it early enough in the video. But anyway, shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. And I'm gonna draw one name out of here. Once I draw that name, let me know in the comments which one you want. I think I've got both of your addresses, so I'll just send it to you. If I don't have your address, I'll holler at you. In the comments, tell me which one you want. Make sure I only grabbed one. And it is Ron Novak. Ron Novak, let me know. Holler at me. Let me know which one of these you want. I know which one you said you think you wanted, but just I'm double checking. I don't want to send you one and it not be what you ended up wanting. Thank y'all for watching. Hey, I've got another giveaway coming up. I am going to be giving away, okay, I've decided when I hit 3,000 subscribers, y'all need to help me get there. When I get 3,000 subscribers, I'm giving away that Vessel 1/4" drive toolkit. So let me show it to you. Very, very nice toolkit. When I get to 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to give that away. This is not a cheaply made one. As a matter of fact, part of me wants to keep it, but that's okay. I got plenty of toys. That was a Freudian slip, wasn't it? I've got plenty of tools around here. I'd like to bless someone with this right here. And it would make something great to go in your, whatever it may be, whether it's behind your seat or what have you. It is all metric, but this is a nice little kit. So when I hit 3,000 subscribers, I'll give y'all notice, tell you what videos to do whatever in, and we'll try to give this away. So y'all got to help share with me, tell your buddies about me, help me get there. Thank y'all. Like, subscribe, share me, and y'all take care of each other. Have a blessed week.